The Maldives is an archipelago consisting of 26 atolls and over 1,000 individual islands. The capital city is Malé, which is one of the smallest capitals in the world, both in size and population. Malé has a population of around 200,000 people, making it one of the most densely populated cities globally. The official language of the Maldives is Dibahi, which has roots from Tamil and Arabic. The Maldives is famous for its stunning white sand beaches and crystal-clear turquoise waters. The Maldives has one of the world's lowest average elevations, with the highest point being just 2.4 meters above sea level. The country is named after the word mala, which means garland in Sanskrit, referring to the circular shape of the islands. The Maldives is a popular destination for honeymooners due to its romantic resorts and private island getaways. The nation is entirely surrounded by the Indian Ocean, located southwest of Sri Lanka and India. The currency used in the Maldives is the Maldivian rupiah, MBR. The Maldives is known for its diverse marine life, including over 2,000 species of fish and numerous coral reefs. Malé features the only mosque in the Maldives, the Grand Friday Mosque, built in 1656 and made from coral stone. The country was a British protectorate until gaining independence in 1965. The Maldives is an Islamic republic, and Islam is the official religion. The country is renowned for its water villas, which are luxurious accommodations built over the water. The Maldives has a national tree called the coconut palm, which plays a vital role in the local economy. The traditional Maldivian dish is called monsoon, made with tuna, coconut, onion, and chili and is typically served for breakfast. The Maldives is home to some world's best diving destinations, including Manta Point and Banana Reef. The islands are famous for their spectacular sunsets, drawing photographers and nature lovers. The Maldives has a unique hand in crafting traditional donis, wooden boats used for fishing and ferrying. Maldivian culture is influenced by Indian, Arab, and African heritage, giving rise to a rich cultural tapestry. The Maldives is experiencing significant threats from climate change, with rising sea levels posing a danger to its existence. The country holds an annual festival called Eid, marking the end of Ramadan with prayers and feasting. The Maldives has a vibrant art scene, with local music and dance reflecting its diverse culture. Over 90% of the Maldives' economy is based on tourism, making it crucial for its livelihood. The Maldives is known for its luxurious resorts, many of which occupy their own private islands. Underwater photography and snorkeling are popular activities due to the rich marine biodiversity. The Maldivian flag features a green rectangle, symbolizing peace, inside a red background, representing the struggle for independence. The capital Malé has a vibrant market called the Malé Fish Market, showcasing fresh fish caught by local fishermen. The Maldives is home to the world's first coral regeneration project, aimed at restoring damaged reefs. The Bodu Baru is a traditional Maldivian music and dance form, featuring drumming and energetic performances. The Maldives has a tropical monsoon climate, with the dry season running from November to April. The Maldives is a popular spot for surfing, with several renowned surf breaks. The country has a unique island-hopping tourism model, allowing visitors to explore various islands. Maldivian children often attend school in the capital, with many traveling from nearby islands. The Maldives boasts some of the world's clearest waters, ideal for seeing underwater life. The islands were once a main trading route for spice trade, attracting merchants from various regions. Traditional Maldivian houses are made from coral stones and are raised above the ground to avoid flooding. The Maldives has a high literacy rate, with education being compulsory for children. The country is known for its colorful festivals, such as the Maldives National Day celebrated on March 26. Ra Atoll is the largest atoll by area in the Maldives. The Maldives faced a significant political crisis in 2012, resulting in shifts in government leadership. The country is engaged in sustainable tourism practices to protect its delicate environment. The Maldives has an exclusive yacht marina in Male, catering to luxury yachts and vessels. Many resorts offer overwater bungalows with glass floors to observe marine life beneath.